Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a booking website for hairstylists. For example, this is a booking website that I created earlier. So all your customers would do is simply go onto the link that you will be creating, then tap on book now. From there, they would be able to tap on the service that they would like to book, then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, they would be able to choose the date that they would like to book the appointment for. Then they would scroll down, and from there they can select the time and tap on continue. After doing that, your customer will fill in their name, phone number, email address, and if they also have any special message that they would like to send, they can type it in right here, then tap on complete booking. After doing that, they will be sent a auto reminder, and from there also, when it is near time for them to come in for their service, they will receive a reminder. Now, to do this, you can get started for completely free using the platform that I'm about to show you. And the platform that we'll be using is HeyGoldie. So all you'll need to do is go onto heygoldie.com. Once on heygoldie.com, as you can see right here, you'll be able to accept 20 appointments per month for free. You'll also be able to download and use the HeyGoldie app on unlimited devices. And as stated earlier, you'll be able to accept online booking, but on the free plan, you'll only be able to use manual reminders. But once your business takes off, or if you want to make a small investment from early out, I would recommend that you go onto their paid plan. As with the paid plan, you'll be able to accept unlimited appointments, and you'll also be able to accept payments directly through the platform. And you can also set up auto reminders. And with the auto reminders, you'll be able to send auto reminders using different social media platforms, for example, WhatsApp Business or Facebook Messenger or so on. But you can start off for completely free and accept 20 appointments per month, and then once you have built up a customer base and you're comfortable with the platform, you can then decide if you would like to go onto the paid plan. Now, once on heygoldie.com, this is how it will look. Now, all I want you to do on the top menu option right here, you're going to hover over customers. After hovering over customers, you're going to tap on hairstylist. Once you have done that, you will realize that the main page has changed. And now to get started, you can tap on get started in the bottom left hand corner or in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you'll be able to sign up using your email address or your Facebook account or your Apple account. And again, it is completely free to get started. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And this is how your booking calendar will look. And I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on the arrow in the top left hand corner right here. So right where you see this arrow beside the G, you're going to tap right there. Let me refresh the page real quick. So once I refresh the page, I'll be showing you how to continue editing it. So all you'll need to do is tap on the G right there. After you have done that, from there, I want you to tap on the first option, which is the services page. And from there, you will be able to edit the services. So you'll see some preloaded services that comes with the platform once you have selected hairstylist. And to edit it, all you'll need to do is tap on the pencil. From there, you can change the service name. You can also change the price. So right here, let's say I wanted to change the price to $80. You can also change the duration. So you can tap right there and you can change the duration. Then after you're finished, you're going to tap on save. And if you don't see a service that you offer, you can simply tap on add new in the top right hand corner. Then tap on add service and you could type in the service name, type in the price and also the duration, then tap on save. Once you have typed in or you have added all the services that you would like to offer, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on the fifth icon from the top, and you're going to tap right where you see online booking. After selecting online booking, you're going to tap on activate online booking. Since I've already done that, I will need to tap on edit booking website. Once you have tapped on activate online booking, you will be redirected to a dashboard like this. And you're going to see your website link right here. And you can make changes to your website link by simply tapping in the box. If you would like to change your URL, you can do that. And this is the link that you will be sharing with your potential customers. If you would like to change your business name, you can do that right here. And you can also add a quick description of your business or the services that you offer. And you can also add a company logo, and a good website to create a logo on is canva.com. And you can use Canva for completely free. Or if you would like to add a photo, you could tap on add photo and you'll be able to upload a photo. Now let's scroll down. From here, you can add your business address, your phone number, and you can also add your different social media platform links. So for instance, you can add your Facebook page link. You can also add your Instagram link. After doing that, you'll scroll down, and from here you can edit your working hours. So for instance, if you're open, for example, 6 days a week, you can select the 6 days. Then you can also edit your opening and closing time. So you can tap right there. Let's say your business is open 8 o'clock in the morning, and let's say you close it 4 p.m. You could select that. Then you'll tap on OK. After doing that, you can scroll down. And if you would like to add a field for your customers to fill out, you can tap right here where you see field title, and you can add the field description. Then you can tap on customizable field is required. So let's say, for example, there's a specific question that you would like to ask your customers when they are booking. You can do that right there. Then from there, you can also allow adding photo if you want. So this is a good way to build social proof. So you could simply toggle this on, and from there your customers will be able to add photos once you're finished, or they can add photos before they come in. So let's say, for example, you want to see the condition of their ear at the moment when they are doing the booking. You could toggle this on, and then they'll be able to take a photo and upload it on the platform. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on the online booking icon again. And now once you have tapped on the online booking icon, you'll now be able to visit your website. So all you will need to do is tap on the link right there, and you'll now be able to visit your website just like what I showed you earlier. So this is my website at the moment, and your customers will be able to go on to book now and fill out the service that they would like to book. And if in the future you would like to download a QR code for your booking website, which I do recommend, you'll tap on download QR code, and you'll be able to share your QR code quite easily on social media or any platform. So all your customers will need to do is simply scan the QR code, and they will be redirected to your new booking website. And if you would like to make any editing changes in the future, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on online booking settings. From there, you will see these features. So you can see booking acceptance, automatically accept all booking requests. You can change that if you want. So you can tap right there, and you can select manual accept. So for example, if in the future you would like to cancel certain booking or don't accept booking from someone, you can tap on that right there. You can also select the time slots availability. You can do that right there, and you can edit all of the features. If you would like to add the Facebook now button, you can connect it right there also by tapping here. And if you would like to allow your customers or your clients to cancel or reschedule booking, you can toggle this on, and then you can set up how long before a booking they'll be able to cancel or reschedule. You can do that right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.